This is a new old stock mirror that I bought for $4. It has an LED ring, LED illuminated, my flexible mirror. It has 10x magnification and strong suction mount. When I bought it, I thought this is a plug, so that's one of the reasons that I bought it. I thought you plug it in the power point and it will work, but now I understand that this is just a suction cup. Ultra flexible, 360 full rotation in all directions. It requires 3 AAA batteries, not included, and it's made in probably China. It doesn't say. Alright, so let's have a look. This is a quick guide and a manual for a mirror. In case you don't know how to use a mirror, you get a manual. This is the suction cup. Twist to lock. It's not the easiest. There is no grip, hard to twist it. So probably it's crap. Yeah, now it's moving. But still very hard. This is the mirror itself. Sorry about this camera effect because I'm shooting with my phone and have LEDs everywhere. 10x magnification, you can see my phone. And the LED ring. Let's install batteries and see. We have 3 levels of light intensity. Let me switch this light off, maybe. Yeah, it's much better. And let's see, this ring should go here. But it's very hard. Afraid to break it. Oh, yes, it's in now. for $4 it's not bad. Yeah, it's flexible, rotation everywhere. Let's give it a try on the window. So this is it, fixed on the window. It's upside down. It's not bad, and I like the magnification. It's very strong, and yeah, it's 360 whatever degrees rotation, but I don't trust the suction cup, it may fall. I don't know if it's glass or just plastic. Anyways, thank you for watching.